So no peat is a common principle within the responsible sourcing guidelines of many of our members. The reason why peatland or no peatland or no development on peatland is included as one of the key principles is due to the high concentration of carbon stored within these types of soils. So peatland is predominantly found in the northern hemisphere as well as in southern Southeast Asia such as Indonesia and Malaysia. And this is very key because a lot of our members are sourcing palm oil and pulp and paper from Indonesia and Malaysia, where there is a lot of prevalence of peatland, principally in Sumatra. When a concessionaire is provided land within Indonesia or Malaysia, there's a big incentive to clear the natural forest on the peatland. They do this by digging drainage ditches, which lowers the water level, which dries out the peat, and in the end releases huge amounts of carbon dioxide into the air. It will also precipitate forest fires, which leads to these smog events which happened in Jakarta and Singapore a couple of years back. And this all started to raise awareness of clearance of natural forest on these peatlands in Indonesia and Malaysia, where palm oil and pulp and paper is sourced from. And so the impact on these concessionaires is to be able to identify where peatland exists within their existing areas, so that they're then able to put in place policies and strategies to ensure that those areas are not developed for palm or for pulp and paper and are conserved in their natural state, which will help store the carbon within those soils and also the associated biodiversity.